Do you agree that technology diminishes personal relationships rather than bringing us closer together? Does social media fool us into thinking that we are connected when in reality we bear none of the commitments and burdens of true friendship? I agree that technology diminishes personal relationships. Technology has distracted everyone from real life. Technology allows us to enter this fantasy world where relationships are fake. We become stuck in the virtual world. I also agree that social media fools us into thinking we are connected when we aren't. I see people online and it is nice to keep up with their lives. Then I see them in person and it is like they are a stranger. I never talk to them directly and they do not talk to me directly. We just see each other's posts and feel a false connection. Should organizations fear websites where consumers post negative messages about products and services? And what actions can companies take in response to this disruptive influence? I don't think organizations should fear negative comments but embrace them. They can use this feedback as suggestions to improve their product. They can also take advantage of the positive feedback as potential buyers will see these comments and it will persuade them to make a purchase. Companies can offer promotions for fair reviews of products. They can also comment on the negative reviews and try to make it right by the customer. Other customers will then see that the company has tried its best to be fair. Why is it important to regain the confidence of a customer in an adjustment message? How can it be done? It is important to regain the confidence of a customer with an adjustment message to promote positive relationships between the company and customers. This can be done by responding to a complaint with a well thought out letter. The letter should try to make amends with the customer and show that the company is fixing the problem.